FLOODS is a collaboration project between Urban Foxes Collective and associate artist with Little Bulb and long-time collaborator with Rash Dash, Tom Penn. It's a show about becoming a mother in an unstable and unpredictable world. A world that is crumbling politically, economically and quite literally.
We recognise that mother is a verb, not just a noun. We understand that it takes a village to raise a child.
But only if the village people want to.
We understand that the village people have as much right to raise a child as we do.
The village people and the people of the village.
Right, and if some members of the village don't want to raise a child, well, that's okay too.
You're not thought of as a bitch.
Or a witch.
We don't use those words.
We're just giving you an example.
Hannah and Sarah are two best friends in their late 20s, and like a lot of women at this age, they don't really feel like they've had the time, the economic security, the correct partner, or even the real desire to start thinking about having a child yet. However, all of this changes when Hannah finds that she is unexpectedly pregnant, and at the same time Sarah finds out that she is infertile.
Hi, Jamie. Oh, hi, yeah, hi, Hayley. Sorry, I didn't see you there.
FLOODS is looking to radically reimagine our concepts around mothering and our narratives on childlessness and climate change.
Did you ever stop to notice all the blood we shed before? Did you ever stop to notice this crying earth, this reflection?
FLOODS is a show set in a not-so-distant future. As the world floods, our characters Hannah and Sarah are left to debate the choices that they've made in their lives and the ones that have been taken away.
What are you doing down here? I couldn't sleep. Did you try? I did a bit. What are you doing?
Mummy's writing.
What are you writing?
Something new.
Is it about me?
This is a show about choice, friendship, social infertility,
And the end of the world.